Everyone has an ambitious goal of one day running their own business, where they can set their own schedule and be their own boss. And in some cases, people are able to accomplish this goal by starting a straightforward business. The best part is that you will quickly be able to begin earning money from the comfort of your own home. You only require a dependable internet connection, a computer, or a smartphone to participate in this activity. And because you are here, we are sure you're looking for a way to earn money without stressing yourself so much. Fortunately for you, we have a special strategy that will allow you to earn anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000. So you better stick around until the end of this video because every step we talk about is very, very important. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. You may get started right away by going to Google and doing a search for pictures of adorable animals. You just need to type the keyword into the search bar, and you will immediately be presented with millions of relevant results. You can make a significant amount of money with these pictures by utilizing a special website and an equally special strategy. You will need to explore a website known as Teespring in order to accomplish this goal. Teespring is a free platform that enables users to develop a variety of e-commerce products and sell those things over the internet. Now, the idea that you may sell anything must strike fear into your heart. But the reality is that using this platform is a lot simpler than you might imagine. After you have downloaded the photos, you can immediately begin creating merchandise by going to teespring.com and using the design tools there. Because you will need to create an account initially, it is essential that you join up for the service. You will need to click the option labeled Start Designing, which will take you to a new page where you will be required to submit information such as your name or brand name, email address, and password. As soon as you have created an account, you will be able to start configuring your online store. If you already have a name picked out for it, you can go on to the next step much more quickly. After that, the next step is to tell them more about yourself by simply defining your function. Whether you are a marketer, content producer, designer, organization, and so on. After that, the platform will ask you to link your social network accounts to your online store in order to confirm that you are, in fact, a living, breathing human being. You will now have access to your online store on Teespring after just a few minutes and a few simple procedures have been completed by you. And with that, you are finally ready to create your very first product. All you gotta do is just click on the red button to create a product. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can find different categories of trending products. In this platform, there are various types of apparel that you can use and apply the design you have on. There are t-shirts, socks, backpacks, accessories, phone cases, and even mugs. This method of making money is known as print on demand. And what Teespring basically assists you in doing is the manufacture of the products as they will have to create them, sell these products on their platform, and send them all over the world. This indicates that you have the potential to genuinely operate your own online store and get off the ground running a 5 or 6-figure business through Teespring. However, for the purpose of this example, we will use the t-shirt. After you have made that selection, you will be given the opportunity to select the type of t-shirt that you are going to utilize. Your selections will be classic, premium, or organic. Because of this, you need to make the finest decision possible about this one because it also determines the prices for each product. After you have decided which one to go with, you can begin the design process. Here is where the image that you downloaded will come into play.
The only thing required of you is to upload it to the platform and then drag it onto the virtual t-shirt that is displayed on the screen. You are free to make any modifications you see fit, because Teespring grants you the ability to do so. You also have the option to personalize it. At this point, your creativity will be required to make the t-shirt that you believe will be successful in the marketplace. After you have arranged the image on the shirt so that it looks like the way you want it to, the next thing for you to do is choose the color for the shirt. Now, once more, this is a decision that is entirely up to you, so it relies on what your imagination tells you to do. Below that, you will see the part where you have to put a price on the product. For example, the price of the t-shirt is $28.99. For that, you will earn $15 profit per sale. Once you are satisfied with the design and the price of your products, all you have to do is click the button to finalize everything. After that, your design apparel will be available on the website. From that point on, Teespring will assist you in the manufacturing and shipping processes, as well as the fulfillment of all orders from around the world. They will even assist you in handling customer service, since they have a trained staff to handle that particular aspect of the business themselves. When everything is said and done, all that is left for you to do is collect the profits that you earn through Teespring. In point of fact, it is an extremely streamlined process. Possibly at this point, you are concerned about how well your product will sell. But if you use Teespring, you won't have to be concerned about anything like that. After you have designed your gear, you will have the option to integrate Teespring's pre-existing network, a tool, or a partnership into your business. The sale of garments can potentially result in a very healthy profit margin when done through Teespring. You can earn that amount with this method even if you don't put any effort into it. Simply by downloading the photographs that you have seen on the internet, you can make a profit of $15 or more with very little effort on your part. In reflection, that appears to have been a very insane deal, as well as an extremely effective tactic. You can get to work now that you know how to make money by using free stock photographs as designed. As you have the technique revealed to you, it is completely free to use and accessible from any location in the world. Despite its apparent simplicity, it carries a powerful punch in terms of cash potential. So what are you waiting for? Check out this strategy and the websites mentioned earlier right now, and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you then!